Hello everyone and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we've got something exciting to unbox and review. We're diving into the MUSETEX PC Case, a gaming powerhouse packed with features. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright folks, here it is, the MUSETEX PC Case G08S. This isn't just your average PC case, it's a beast designed for gamers and enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best. First off, let's talk about aesthetics. The G08S features a sleek and stylish design with double-tempered glass panels that offer a premium showcase for your hardware components. Whether you're into gaming or content creation, this case is sure to turn heads with its elegant yet aggressive look. Now, let's take a peek inside. The G08S comes pre-installed with not 1, not 2, but 7 high-quality ARGB PWM fans. These fans not only provide exceptional airflow but also add a touch of style with customizable ARGB lighting in 16.8 million colors. Plus, with PWM control, you can adjust the fan speed according to your needs, ensuring optimal cooling performance. Moving on, this case offers plenty of room for your hardware. With support for ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, as well as compatibility with GPUs up to 390mm in length, you'll have the freedom to build your dream rig without compromise. And let's not forget about cooling. The G08S can accommodate up to a 360mm radiator on the top, perfect for those who want to push their systems to the limit. Let's talk about convenience. The G08S features a simple and smart I/O panel with 2 USB 3.0 ports for easy expansion and faster transfer speeds. Plus, it comes with magnetic dust filters on the top and pull-out dust filters on the bottom to keep your system clean and running smoothly. And with sponge pads added to the power compartment and case feet, you can say goodbye to unwanted vibrations and noise. Last but not least, let's talk about quality. MUSETEX has always been known for their attention to detail, and the G08S is no exception. From the sturdy construction to the thoughtful design elements, every aspect of this case screams quality and reliability. You can trust that your components will be well protected and your build will stand the test of time. And there you have it, folks, a closer look at the MUSETEX PC Case G08S. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a passionate content creator, or just someone who appreciates good design, this case has something for everyone. So, if you're in the market for a new PC case, be sure to check out the MUSETEX G08S. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.